Here are the best wholesale suppliers and how to source them, because one bad supplier can tank your business before you even launch. But the right one, that's your golden ticket to success.
You've got it! You've got the last golden ticket!
I get it. Sourcing wholesale suppliers can feel like a never-ending scavenger hunt. Sketchy websites, overpriced inventory, and suppliers who ghost you. We've all been there. But don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to find the best wholesale suppliers for your business, whether you're in the US, Canada, Europe, Asia, or beyond. By the end of this video, you'll have a mapped out game plan to source reliable suppliers, avoid common pitfalls, and get your business rolling without the headaches. Because while other videos might just list out random suppliers, we're diving deeper. I'm going to give you actual strategies to vet them, negotiate deals, and build lasting partnerships. So, let's get right into it. First off, think of a wholesale supplier as your behind-the-scenes business partner. They're a business-to-business, or B2B, entity that sells products in bulk at a discount, so you can resell them and make the profit while avoiding high production costs. Some manufacture the products, others just distribute, but either way, they're key to keeping your stores stocked and your margins healthy. Here's a key stat. Retailers typically pay 60 to 70% of the final consumer price when they buy wholesale. That means if you're selling a product for $100, you likely paid somewhere between $60 to $70 for it, but you made a $30 to $40 profit. That wholesale pricing is what makes reselling profitable. So, finding the right supplier at the right price is everything. Before we get any further, if your idea of sourcing suppliers is just typing wholesale suppliers near me into Google, we need to talk. Yes, the first thing you're going to do is hit up Google, but you're going to do it with strategy. Search by product, industry, and location, and start making a list of promising suppliers. Then, once you have that list, do your homework. Check reviews, visit their websites, and look for legit business credentials, because sketchy suppliers are not it.
No! God, please, no!
You'll want to check for a physical address and an easy, transparent way to get in touch with the supplier should you need to contact them for anything. Once you've found their contact information, contact your list of potential suppliers by calling them or sending an email. Ask them about their products, pricing, minimum order quantities or MOQs, lead times, payment terms, and shipping options. And always ask for samples. You wouldn't buy a car without a test drive or a house without doing a walkthrough, right? That same logic applies here. Pro tip, compare the offerings, terms, and responsiveness of all the different suppliers you speak to. While you definitely want to choose the supplier with the best product quality, pricing, and MOQs, customer service is really what is going to seal the deal. As a business owner, you need your supply chain to run smoothly. If something goes wrong, like delays or stock issues, you'll want to get in touch with your supplier fast to keep things moving. A supplier who ghosts? No, thank you. You need a supplier who's as reliable as your Wi-Fi on a good day, consistent and responsive.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
When choosing a supplier, yes, price matters, but so do other factors that can make or break your business. Find a supplier that allows you to add a markup and still turn a profit. Be mindful of minimum order quantities. Lower MOQs might cost more per unit but give you flexibility, while higher MOQs can lower your cost per unit but require bigger upfront investments. Think about product range. Do you want a variety or to specialize? Your supplier's location impacts shipping times, costs, and even taxes, so choose wisely. Also, always keep an eye on tariffs and check the laws and regulations in each country. If you want to learn more about tariffs, visit this Shopify blog, which is linked down below, which will set you on the right path. But back to your supplier. Understand their shipping policies, including delivery times, available carriers, and whether they offer free shipping. Check if they can handle larger orders as your business grows. And don't forget to do a background check, meaning read reviews, ask for references, and request proof of business licenses to ensure they're legit. Also, don't be afraid to negotiate with them. This is a business after all.
The fundamentals of business.
Looking for North American or European suppliers? No problem. Here are some top platforms to check out. Faire is great for unique products with net 60 terms, and they offer prepaid shipping labels for returns. Just note that Faire takes a 15% commission plus a one-time $10 fee for new customers. EK Wholesale is a Scotland-based supplier specializing in clothing, including private label options if you're looking to build your own brand. Europages is a solid resource for finding factories and suppliers in Europe. Wholesale Central is a free-to-use business-to-business supplier directory packed with options and no membership fees required. ThomasNet is a go-to for finding US-based manufacturers and is ideal if you want locally sourced products. And finally, check out DataAxle, formerly Reference USA, a business directory in the US which is accessible through many local libraries. It's also great for digging deep into potential supplier options. If you're looking to source from Asia or Australia, you have several strong options, each with its own benefits and risks. Here are some of the top platforms and how to navigate them. Alibaba, which is a massive directory of Chinese and Asian vendors, is ideal for bulk orders. But if you use this site, always verify suppliers through ratings, transaction history, and sample orders before committing to large purchases. AliExpress is Alibaba's consumer-focused counterpart and is great for testing products without bulk commitments. However, product quality and supplier reliability can vary, so vet carefully. Global Sources is known for connecting businesses with larger factories that offer higher quality goods. It is best for brands looking to scale production with trusted manufacturers. DHgate offers low prices but is known for carrying replica goods. If authenticity is key for your brand, be extra cautious here. IndiaMart is best for sourcing industrial, medical, and chemical supplies from India-based manufacturers, and many suppliers specialize in bulk and customized orders. And finally, consider trade shows like Canton Fair and Global Sources Summit. Attending these in-person events can help you find legitimate suppliers, inspect product quality firsthand, and negotiate better deals. Pro tip, as a reminder, always check supplier ratings, transaction history, and request samples before placing bulk orders. A legit supplier won't hesitate to prove their quality. Next, let's talk about drop shipping versus wholesale. Which one is for you? Wholesale means buying inventory upfront and handling shipping yourself. And with drop shipping, the supplier ships directly to your customers, but your margins take a hit. Both have pros and cons. The pros of wholesale being higher profit margins, better brand control, reliable inventory, and faster shipping. And the cons being, it requires an upfront investment, there are storage costs because you'll need space for inventory, you risk having dead inventory, and you're more hands-on with packaging and shipping. Dropshipping pros include low startup costs, no storage or shipping hassles, a wide product selection, and scalability. But the cons are lower profit margins, less control over stock, packaging, and shipping quality, longer shipping times, and high competition because since it's easy to start, many sellers may offer the same products. Which one is right for you? If you want higher margins and control over branding, wholesale is your way to go. But if you prefer a low-risk, hands-off approach with easy scalability, dropshipping might be your best bet. Ultimately, supplier shopping is like dating. Red flags? Swipe left. See potential? Swipe right. Speaking of swiping right, have you swiped right on opening up a Shopify account yet? If not, I got you. Hit the link down below for a free trial. And by the way, if you made it this far and haven't started your Shopify business yet because you don't know what to sell, guess what? I made a video on the top trending products to sell on Shopify, which you can watch by clicking here. If you're looking to expand your business by selling wholesale, Shopify offers two powerful tools, Faire and Shopify Collective. Faire is a business-to-business online marketplace designed to connect brands and retailers for seamless wholesale transactions. For brands, Faire integrates directly with Shopify, making it easy to sell wholesale to independent retailers. You can set up and publish products directly from your Shopify admin with inventory, orders, and product details automatically syncing between the two platforms. For retailers, Faire allows you to discover and stock your Shopify store with products from independent brands worldwide. Any purchases made through Faire sync effortlessly with your Shopify inventory, ensuring your stock stays updated. Best of all, using the Faire sales channel and app is completely free. There are no setup fees or ongoing costs to integrate it with your Shopify store. To learn more about Faire, I've dropped two links down below, one for brands and one for retailers, which will give you more info on how it can benefit your business. Another tool that is easy and seamless to use within your Shopify account is Shopify Collective, which lets you sell your products through other retailers who also use Shopify. You can invite retailers to connect with your store, share your price lists, and allow them to publish and sell your products on their Shopify stores. The best part? There are no fees for using Shopify Collective. You fulfill and ship orders directly to customers, ensuring control over product quality and customer experience. These platforms give you access to a larger audience without the complexity of traditional wholesale operations. Whether you want to reach boutique retailers through Faire or create direct partnerships with other Shopify sellers using Shopify Collective, both options can help scale your business efficiently. And if you haven't started your Shopify store yet, now's the time. If you're serious about launching your business, Shopify makes it easy to sell wholesale and direct to consumer all in one place. So, in case you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, click the link down below to start your free trial today.
And how much does it cost?
It's free.
So at this point, we've gone over the initial steps to finding a wholesale supplier, and I've even given you actual options you can start using today. But let's go over some additional tips for finding the best supplier for you, because it's not just about clicking a link and placing an order. It's about building strong, reliable business relationships. Here are some expert tips to help you source like a pro. Attend industry trade shows. They are a goldmine for networking. You can meet suppliers in person, see product samples, and negotiate deals directly. Join social media groups in your niche on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Reddit, which are full of fellow entrepreneurs sharing their recommendations, experiences, and red flags to avoid. Become a member of trade organizations. Groups like the National Association of Wholesaler Distributors can provide supplier directories, industry insights, and network opportunities. Check for product liability insurance. Some products come with inherent risks, and you want to ensure your supplier has proper liability coverage. Ask for references from current customers. A trustworthy supplier will have no problem connecting you with other businesses they work with. If they hesitate, it might be a red flag. Start small with new suppliers. Never place a massive order with an untested supplier. Order small batches first to check for product quality, shipping reliability, and customer service. Calculate all costs up front. Don't just focus on product pricing. Factor in shipping, customs fees, taxes, and handling costs to get a true picture of your expenses. Communicate clearly and professionally. Miscommunication can lead to costly mistakes. Be specific about your needs, timelines, and expectations. Pay suppliers on time. A good relationship with your supplier means better service, potential discounts, and priority production. Give and receive feedback. Constructive feedback helps both parties improve. If a supplier does a great job, let them know. Show appreciation to reliable suppliers. The best suppliers are partners, not just vendors, and maintaining a positive relationship can lead to better deals and long-term success. Finding the right supplier isn't just about convenience, it's the foundation of your business success. By sourcing from well-reviewed, reliable suppliers who understand your niche, you'll ensure product quality, maintain a smooth supply chain, and maximize your profits.
This is awesome! This is awesome!
Here's what to do next. First, order samples. Never skip this step. It's the best way to assess quality and verify legitimacy before making a bigger investment. Next, negotiate prices. Most suppliers expect some level of negotiation. Don't be afraid to ask for better terms, especially as your order volume grows. Open your online store with confidence. Once you've secured reliable suppliers, it's time to launch. Whether you're selling wholesale or direct to customer, having a strong supply chain sets you up for success. Use Shopify to simplify your operations. Shopify makes it easy to manage your inventory, process orders, and connect with wholesale platforms like Faire and Shopify Collective. And finally, explore more resources. Keep learning. Trade shows, online forums, and supplier directories will continue to be valuable as your business scales.
I'm talking about this.
All right, we've made it to the end of this video and have covered everything from how to source to vetting and building relationships with suppliers so you can confidently stock your store. Now it's time to put that knowledge to work because you and your Shopify store are officially set to source wholesale suppliers like a pro. Follow these steps, find your perfect supplier, and start building your business today. And remember, Shopify is where it's at when it comes to easily sourcing and managing your suppliers. Remember, communication is everything. Be clear, be professional, and build strong relationships. Oh, and pay on time. No one likes a flaky business partner. Now, if you want more game-changing tips and ideas on how to build, grow, optimize, and scale your business, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to Learn with Shopify for more in-depth tutorials. We have so many awesome and helpful vids, so definitely check them out. I'm Kylie Marr. See you next time.